According to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, inside this parentheses, we have 7 minus 7, which equals 0. So 7 minus 1 then times 0. Now we have to do this multiplication. 1 times 0 is just 0. So 7 minus 0, which equals 7. And this is our final answer to this problem.